I'm always telling people about windshield repair and how lucrative it is and why they should consider it. And then something clicked. Why not show them what it's like? So I'm going to take you on a journey of what it's like to be a windshield repair tech doing this as a side gig. When it comes to windshield repair, opportunities are everywhere. You can create your own schedule and the money is really good. For me, windshield repair offers flexibility. Right now, I'm on site at a fleet account, and the cool part about this account is I get to set my own schedule and service it on the weekend so it doesn't take away from my full-time job.
If you're on the fence about windshield repair, think about this. There are over 260 million vehicles on the road, which puts an estimated number of vehicles with repairable damage between 24 and 30 million. With the national average being $65 per rock chip, the total annual market for windshield repair is between 1.3 and 1.6 billion. So it's money to be made. Now let me talk about the return on investment. The system that I'm using is $850, so at $65 per rock chip, all you need to do is 14 repairs to get a return on your investment. So the question to ask yourself is, why not windshield repair?